In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search by owner in Google Drive. This is a great way to quickly find files based on who owns them, whether it's you, a teammate, or anyone who shared something with you. It saves time and keeps your workspace organized, especially if you work across multiple projects or accounts. First, sign into Google Drive. If you use more than one Google account, make sure you're in the right one for the files you expect to see. Once you're in, look toward the top of the screen for the search bar that runs along the toolbar. This search bar is powerful and can look through My Drive, Shared with Me, and any shared drives you have access to. Next, open the Advanced Search options. You'll find the Advanced Search button on the right side of the search bar. Clicking it opens a panel with filters that help you narrow things down. In that panel, look for the Owner field. Click the Owner dropdown to see your choices. Here's what each option means and when to use it. Owned by Me shows only the files and folders where you are the owner. Perfect when you're tracking down something you created. Not Owned by Me shows items you don't own, which is helpful for finding documents others shared with you. Anyone is the most flexible, and it removes any owner restrictions so you can search across everything you're allowed to access. Specific Person lets you target files owned by a particular person, which is especially useful when collaborating with a colleague or searching within a team. If you pick Specific Person, you'll see a field to enter the person's name or email address. Start typing, and Drive will usually suggest matches from your contacts or recent collaborators. Select the correct person. Keep in mind, this filter only shows files the person owns that you already have permission to view. It won't reveal private files you don't have access to. When your owner selection is set, click Search. Google Drive will display results that match your owner filter. You can browse through them just like any other search results, and you'll notice they reflect the ownership choice you made. If the results aren't what you expected, it's often worth double-checking that you chose the right account and the correct owner option. That's all there is to it. Log into Drive, open the Advanced Search, choose an owner, add a specific person if needed, and click Search. With this approach, you can zero in on files faster and stay focused on your work.